Hey everyone, welcome back to the PassFab channel. Losing access to an important Excel file because you've forgotten the password can be extremely frustrating, especially when that file contains work documents, financial records, business reports, or other valuable information that you need right away. Fortunately, there's an easy solution. In today's video, we're taking a look at PassFab for Excel, a professional password recovery tool designed to help you regain access to password-protected Excel files quickly and efficiently. One of the biggest advantages of PassFab for Excel is that it's built specifically for Microsoft Excel password recovery. Whether you've forgotten the password required to open a workbook or you're trying to recover access to a protected file, the software provides a simple interface and powerful recovery technology to make the process as straightforward as possible. To get started, download and install PassFab for Excel using the link in the video description. Once the installation is complete, launch the program and you'll be greeted with a clean and beginner-friendly interface. Click the option to recover an Excel password, then select the protected Excel file by clicking the plus icon and importing it into the software. Next, you'll be asked to choose one of the available password recovery modes. If you have a list of passwords that you commonly use, the dictionary attack is a great place to begin. If you remember certain details about the password, such as its length, specific letters, numbers, or symbols, choose brute force with mask. This lets you narrow down the search and often speeds up the recovery process significantly. If you don't remember anything about the password at all, simply choose the brute force attack option. This method systematically checks every possible password combination until the correct one is found. Depending on how strong and complex the password is, the recovery process may take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. After selecting the recovery mode that best matches your situation, click the Recover button to begin. The software will start analyzing the file and testing password combinations using its advanced recovery algorithms. Once the process is complete, the recovered password will be displayed on the screen. Simply copy the recovered password, open your Excel workbook, and enter it to regain full access to your file. You can now view, edit, copy, or manage your spreadsheet just as you normally would without any restrictions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the PassFab channel for more useful tech tutorials and solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.